In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print an A3 size document two-sided on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E printer series. The printer has already been set up and the A3 or tabloid size media has been loaded in tray 2. If you need help on that, please refer to our previous videos done on the setup and loading A3 size paper. So let's start up the HP app on our mobile phone. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Tap on the printer icon. Scroll until you see Print Documents. Select PDFs. We'll print this document. This is a 4-page document that has been prepared on A3 size paper. Let's go to Print Preview. Under Print Preview, we need to select the paper size as ISO A3 Tray 2. Then under two-sided, select two-sided long edge. We are ready to print. So this is the 4-page document that has been printed two-sided on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series. So this is how you print an A3 two-sided document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.